How to remove labels on Google Maps. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new tutorial, and for today's video I'm going to show you the ways to remove labels on Google Maps. To remove labels on Google Map, you just have to follow these simple steps. First thing first, open up a browser and on the web address bar type in maps.google.com. When you type in that, it's going to take you to the details where you see maps. So make sure that you're already logged in, and once logged in, from the left hand side bar you could see try bar menu. Click on it. After you've actually done it, so you could see this sort of page, so go to saved. As you go to saved, you could find out this page where you could see labeled session. So click on the labeled, and here you want to go ahead and select the three dot icon next to it. As soon as you click on the option, then you want to go ahead and select labels. Click the pencil shape icon next to it, and over here you could go ahead and remove it, and then click on the remove button. Once you've actually done it, so the label has been removed. So this way you'll be able to remove label on Google Maps. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.